mounts. So it's literally just a case of putting it onto the cross member. And then we've got the anti-roll bar just underneath. I've only got to fit the anti-roll bar loose so as I can get that onto the body of the car at a later date. But what we're going to do now, obviously, put the steering rack on. Like I've already said, I want it all built up so as I can just basically lift this up with the engine crane, lift the car up, and then roll it underneath the vehicle and then just bolt it on. That's the intention. Whether it actually works or not is another story. But that's the intention. So I'll crack on now. I'll get the steering rack on. Yeah. Shouldn't take too long. All in all, that doesn't look too shabby. I've made an awful lot of progress today. I'm really pleased with that. Really am pleased with that. I think it's coming along a treat. Right, next job after that, I'm thinking of putting the wheels on. I'll just put the wheels on, and then I think we'll move to put it in position, ready to go underneath the car. Alright, so we'll crack on with that. Right, this morning we're going to be putting the wheels on. I've got the engine hoist there ready to go. Pick this up, put it on the deck and roll it out underneath the car. So without further ado, let's crack on with that, shall we? There we go, back on its wheels, first time in creeping up to about 3 years. Doesn't it look pretty? Right, should we get it on the car? I think we'll do that.
what an absolute pain in the backside that was. We've got it on, as you can see, but I've had to take the steering rack off because of the steering column itself, trying to get that back in. Bit of a nightmare, but yeah, but we managed to get it in, and that is the main thing. Like I say, complete and utter faff around, but we got there in the end. So what remains to be done is just to tighten up the bolts, the nuts rather, and yeah, it's on. Alright, so let's get on with that. Right, let's find out what the torque setting is for that, and we'll torque it up, and that is that, job done. I'll build the rest of it back up later. Alright, I think we're going to end this section of the video there, so thank you very much for watching, really appreciate it, thanks for all your support, and I'll see you all in the next one. Cheers for now, bye. On second thoughts, I really couldn't end the video there without showing you what it actually looks like now that it's all done up. I personally think it looks absolutely fabulous. I think that is brilliant. Like I say, if you want to give us a comment to tell me that it's absolutely rubbish, please feel free, or if you want to give us a comment to say that, you know what, it's not that bad, mate. Again, feel free. But, yeah, bit pleased with that. Really nice. Alright, thanks for watching. Take it easy, bye for now.